Good morning, dear students. Today I am going to explain you The Boy Who Broke in the Bank. The story The Boy Who Broke in the Bank. This is written by Ruskin Bond. This is a story about the rumors, how rumors spread as fast as the rapid fire. So, how one rumor can broke the entire bank. So here see, this story is written by Ruskin Bond. He born in 1934 in Kasauli, India. He is an Indian. Okay. His first novel was The Room of the Roof. It was a very famous novel. It was written in 17 when he was in 17 years old. When he was 17 years old, he wrote the novel The Room on the Roof. For this he got the award that Llewellyn Rice prize, that he got a Llewellyn Rice prize. So this is a story about a child labor and the struggle of to get a better employee. This is the story about the child labor who is struggling with to get a better employee. He is struggling for get the better employment. How he is now I am going to explain you. So the main character of the story is Nathu. Okay, the main character of the story is Nathu and his friend, the washerman's son, Sitaram. Okay, Sitaram's son, who is playing a role of the Nathu's friend, Mrs. Srivastav, and her friend Mrs. Bhushan, and Govind. He is the owner of the bank. With these characters, with these plots, the story is started. Okay, who is Nathu? Nathu is a sweeper in the People Nagar Bank. Nathu is a sweeper in the People Nagar Bank. He is always get his salary of rupees 2 pounds. Okay, 2 pounds salary. He get 2 pounds salary. That too he get the salary on the 20th of the month. So he was very angry that he want to quit his job. He don't want to do the job in the People Nagar Bank. So what he did, he just while sweeping the bank, what he murmured means to say something under in the mouth. Okay, mumbling. So what he did, he is murmuring that I am not going to do this job anymore. I will quit the job as soon I get my salary. That they are not increasing the salary and not paying the salary on the time. They are paying the salary on 20th of every month. That he is not going to do the job in the People Nagar Bank. While he was murmuring these all things, Sitaram's son, okay, who is Sitaram's son, who is the washerman, he went to Nathu and asked him why he was so angry. At that time, Nathu said that no, I am not getting my salary on the proper time. 2 pounds also, they are not increasing my salary and they are paying only 2 pounds. The 2 pounds also they are paying on the 20th of every month. For that I am going to leave this job. Who said this? Nathu said this all things. Okay, after that, so so at the same time what he said, I am not going to do this job, I am going to search the another job. So at that time what the Sitaram's son told to him, okay, I will help you to search in a new job, for you. And after that he went to Mrs. Srivastav's house. Okay, he went to Mrs. Srivastav's house and he told that Mrs. Srivastav, there is my friend, his name was Nathu, he was working as a sweeper in the People Nagar Bank. Now he will work for you. He want to work for you. So as usual, anyone can ask the question why he left the job there, isn't it? So the same question asked by the who Mrs. Srivastav, that the washerman said that the People Nagar Bank has no money to pay the 2 pounds of salary of the sweeper who is working in People Nagar Bank. There is no money in the bank. This rumor is spread like a rapid fire in the whole village. From Mrs. Srivastav, he make a call to Mrs. Bhushan and told that the bank has no more money to pay the Nathu's salary. So Mrs. Bhushan spread this like a rumor that the bank has corrupted, there is no money in the bank, and the bank corrupted because the owner of the bank is always out. He is always out. Who is the owner of the bank? Govind Ram. Govind Ram is the owner of the bank. At that time he is on the holiday. He is spending his time in the holiday so he is on the holiday. So the rumor spread like a rapid fire, and all people of People Nagar, they come to bank and they started destroying the bank. They started to throw the stones on the bank, and these all things are going on. So at that time the manager came and he make a call to the owner that Govind Ram, the bank is, the people want to get what the people are doing, the people are destroying the bank's furniture and they want their money back. At that time when the owner came back to the bank, he said, wait a minute, I will give you the money, but what is going on? Who told you that there is no money in the bank? So no one give the answer for that. That is a rumor. That is only a rumor. They don't know who spread this rumor. Like this it will happen. So they asked that, no, we don't know who spread this rumor, but we want our money back. Okay, so he returned all the money. At the next day, sweeper the Nathu came and he saw that whole furniture is destroyed and the pieces of glass are fall on the floor. He asked to the owner that what happened yesterday, that the bank is completely destroyed. That Nathu don't know, this rumor spread by him only. Okay, this rumor is spread by him only, and he don't know. Innocently he is asking the question to the Mr. Govind Ram that who did this and why they do this. So beta, rumors are spreading like a fire. We don't have to believe on everything who the peoples are saying. Whatever the peoples are saying, we don't have to believe it, isn't it? If we believe it, it will spread like a rumor. I hope you understand this lesson. If you have any doubts, please ask me. Okay, ma? Bye.